Hello, my name is Robert McKinnon and I'm the project leader here at PrepMate. Now you may be thinking, what is PrepMate all about? PrepMate is a project which was set up back in 2017 as part of a Loughborough University society called Enactus Loughborough. At Enactus Loughborough, we create social enterprise projects that aim to impact people's lives and change them for the better. The team identified back in 2017 that those with an upper limb difference or dexterity impairment struggle to have confidence within the kitchen, especially when it comes down to cooking meals. I've also had personal experience in speaking to those who have an upper limb difference or dexterity impairment, and I realise how much of a problem this is for them and that something needs to be changed. And so here at PrepMate, our solution is the PrepMate chopping board. The PrepMate chopping board holds food safely and securely and gives confidence to the user and allows them to cut food with ease. We are currently within the designing, prototyping and user testing stage, and we are growing the project over the summer. And so if you yourself want to help us out, then send us an email or a direct message if you are interested in doing some user testing or helping out the project with a partnership. And if you just want to know more about PrepMate for the future, then give us a follow on Instagram. This is PrepMate, and we are aiming to make people's lives who have upper limb difference or dexterity impairments more confident and better for the future.